I have no idea what we got. So I'm jumping back to the camera. So that's actually not too bad. And if I zoom in, you can see how sharp that is.
I'm going to start moving and then fire the shutter. And when I go back in camera, you get that effect. And so if I toggle between the two, the exposure hasn't changed at all. Everything's identical. The only thing that's different is how I move the sled. And you can see I'm able to actually grab them and move them wherever I want them. That whole collection of small droplets is no bigger than the tip of my finger. So all I'm going to do now is just sort of move the drain strainer, see what it does.
And it's kind of just painting in the background, thinking about where that is. And let's see what we have back in camera. So we went from here to here literally by just moving cards and outlining the glass with that. You can see all it is it's raw light right here striking the bowl. That's it. That's all the lighting. And if I go back in camera, again, whether I hit the light in the back or the front completely changes how this thing looks.